Having trouble connecting with your Samsung phone to a Wi-Fi router? Don't stress, this guide will walk you through the exact steps to solve that issue. Follow along, and we'll help you get your connection back up in no time. Before we begin with the fixes, turn on the Wi-Fi scan throttling. Open Settings, scroll down, tap Developer Options, scroll down, find out Wi-Fi scan throttling, and toggle it on. Still have problems? Try next solution. Solution 1. Check the hardware issue. First of all, make sure to install the Samsung Members app from the Play Store. Then tap Diagnostics, then tap Phone Diagnostics, scroll up, tap Wi-Fi. Tap while using the app if prompted. Here you can see the test results. It's showing normal to me. That means there is no hardware issue. After that, follow these settings. Solution 2. Change IP address. Go to Settings again, tap Connection, tap Wi-Fi, then tap on the settings icon from the right side of your Wi-Fi network name. Tap View More from the below, then tap IP Settings. Select Static. Now tap DNS1, type 8.8.8.8. After that, tap DNS2, type 8.8.4.4. Then tap Connect or tap on the Save button below. Solution 3. Forget and reconnect the Wi-Fi network. Open Settings, tap Connection, tap Wi-Fi. Then tap on the settings icon from the right side of your Wi-Fi network name. Tap Forget at the bottom right corner. Now tap on your Wi-Fi network name again. Enter your Wi-Fi password. Make sure to toggle on the Auto Reconnect. Then tap Connect. If you still have the same problem, follow the next solutions. Solution 3. Reset Wi-Fi settings. Go to Settings, scroll down, tap General Management. Scroll down again, tap Reset. Now tap Reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. Then tap Reset Settings. Wait for a while, check your issue again. And that's how you can fix Wi-Fi problems in your Samsung device. If this walkthrough helped you out, feel free to give it a like. It really supports the channel. Got more questions or ran into a snag? Just leave a comment below and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching.